Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your Canva game to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of Canva's most powerful features, real-time design collaboration. Whether you're working with a team or a client, this feature allows you to collaborate on designs simultaneously, making the process smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. Setting up a collaborative design. First things first, you need to set up your design for collaboration. Start by opening your Canva project. Once you have your design open, look for the Share button in the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll see options to invite people by email or to generate a shareable link. Make sure to choose the Can Edit option so that others can join in and make changes to the design in real time. Collaborating in real time. Now that your team is invited, the magic begins. As others join the design, you'll see their avatars or initials appear in the top right corner of the screen. Everyone can work on the design simultaneously, adding text, images, or making edits. Canva updates in real time, so you can see everyone's changes as they happen. This feature is perfect for brainstorming sessions or when you need to get quick feedback and make adjustments on the fly. Communicating through comments. Collaboration isn't just about editing, it's also about communication. Canva has a built-in comments feature that makes it easy to discuss specific elements of the design. Just click on any part of the design, then click the comment icon to leave a note. Your team members can reply directly to your comments, making it easy to keep track of suggestions, changes, and ideas, all without leaving the Canva workspace. Managing permissions. If you need to control who can make edits or just view the design, Canva gives you that flexibility. Go back to the Share settings and you can adjust permissions. For instance, if you want someone to only view the design without making changes, switch their access from Can Edit to Can View. This is especially useful when you want to share the design with stakeholders who just need to see the progress. Finalizing and downloading the design. Once everyone's happy with the final design, it's time to wrap things up. You can easily finalize the project by making any last-minute adjustments together. When ready, just hit the Share button at the top right corner, select Download, choose the preferred file format you need, whether it's a PNG, JPEG, or PDF, and hit the Download button. And there you have it, Genius Junkies! Real-time design collaboration in Canva is a powerful tool that makes working together easier and more efficient than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.